neighbor, what's up?
Hey, what's up, dude? Running little wires on this thing, man. I have a little issue with my lights, man.
Your headlight?
Yeah.
What's wrong with them?
One of them's out. Another one, it's real dim. I really can't see anything anyway, man. Lots of time.
We'll turn them on. Let's see what we got. Running lights are good. Man, you're still running with the stock ones?
Yeah.
Ah, dude.
This one here's out, man.
Okay. Man, they just ain't bright enough. That's the halogen, man.
Yeah, man. I mean, hey, I'm doing security work tonight, man. I just haven't had time, man. And I'm like crunched for time. And it's like,
You work at night and you drive around with these? Dude, I'm telling you right now, I can help you out severely.
really?
Yeah.
How?
Dude, simply with AUXITO LED, man.
AUXITO?
AUXITO LED.
I heard of
Yes,
those.
sir.
I heard of
They got LED headlights that are made for your car.
those. Okay.
You know what? I got you some.
Oh,
I can't let my bro go around with bad
man.
headlights, dude.
Oh,
You
man.
cannot have bad headlights.
Oh, man.
Yes, we will be installing the AUXITO LEDs headlights in my boy Chad's car, and as you guys can clearly see, these are the halogens. These are from the factory, they're stock. So let's see if we can spice up the look of his car. And safety feature, it's going to give you brighter headlights, dude.
Transformer.
Yes, sir. All right, let's go ahead and kill the lights, let it cool down, and we'll install them. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. I happen to get some AUXITO LED headlights for Chad's car. We have been planning on replacing the headlights in this thing for a while now, and he didn't even expect that other light to go out, and this arrived in just the right time. Just the right time, you know. But anyway, we're gonna do you know what, I'm gonna let you do the honors and open this. Now I'll tell you right now, there's some stuff in there you've never seen before.
Okay.
And it surprised me too.
So go. You're the expert.
Yeah, go for it.
Okay.
Be easy when you open it, level. Okay. Yeah, it surprised me the first time.
We got gloves.
Yeah. Wow. I call them the Michael Jackson gloves.
Okay.
I mean, I would call them the OJ gloves, but you know, the glove always fit for me. So.
Right. Okay.
But they don't want you touching the bulbs.
Right.
That's why they give you these.
Got you.
The last thing you want is to have any of the oils that are on your fingers touching the actual diodes, because that will shorten the life of the actual diode itself.
Okay.
So
are these regular and bright, or
yeah,
just regulars?
Oh yeah, they're both high and low.
Okay.
So you're gonna want to put one of these on as you handle them.
Okay.
The engine is hot, guys. That's why we haven't really dove right into the engine just yet. My hands are a little dirty, so I'll have Chad do the work on these. Go ahead and pull one out, and I don't know if there's enough light out here or not. Tell me what you think.
Beautiful. Wow. Kind of heavy as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're metal. So yeah, those are legit, man.
Okay.
Because the ones that I have in my truck, I've got the LEDs in my headlights. Right. So I'll even show you. I don't know if my truck's open or not. It's probably not. It's open. It just, hang on, just headlights.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So actually we can probably use those.
So I'm gonna be looking like that?
Yeah.
Wow.
You're gonna be wrong. Well, I mean, actually brighter, because you have what they call projection headlights, projection lenses, okay. And I don't. Okay. Mine are just the standard lens, yeah, these here are way better. Okay. They project the light further, and you're actually improving the actual color of the light. It's no longer going to be yellow, it's going to be white. Okay. The color, heat, I'm sorry, the heat frequency, not heat frequency,
temperature?
Yeah, the temperature color is 6K.
Okay.
It's the same thing as these.
Super bright.
Same color, it's white.
Wow.
What you have are 4K, yellow, and it comes from the factory that way. Okay. So, but
I can't wait.
Yeah, let's go ahead and you think you can install them? If it's
I'd rather you do it, because you are the professional.
Hey, I'll tell you what, I'll do one side, you do the other.
Cool.
I'll take the hard side.
Okay.
So put that back. My fingers are all dirty. First things first, we got to get, I think there's a cover that goes over the back. So we got to get those off and then get the light bulb out and unplug it.
Okay, so do I need to keep this on or take these off?
I would take that off, but only handle them when you're handling the actual light itself.
Okay.
So, all right, well, let me, I'm going to cut the picture or the camera, and I'll get back to you guys as soon as we get the caps off of here, because I know my side's going to be a little difficult. Oh, man, this is... Not to mention, you got a really, really warm engine. This is tough. All right, yeah, I'll be right back, guys. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I got the first light out. And like I said, he's got halogen in his headlights. This is what halogen looks like. So the difference between the two. So I'm just gonna handle this part. The difference between the two, guys. Let me get to these headlights. There you go. There's your difference. Check that out. And you can clearly tell that filament is gone. It's rolling around on the inside. So, all right. And this one was actually kind of tough to handle. I know, I'm putting on the Michael Jackson glove. Okay, we're gonna... I'm kidding. I'm actually gonna do it correctly. That's it. All right. This connection was actually pretty easy. It's just plug and play. Anybody can do it. And just like that, that one's installed. Maybe I should have put on the left hand because I had to get in there with my left. Hold on, let's set that down. Well, the good thing about this is I can switch it from one side to the other. I'm gonna do this side, but you're gonna do the other side. See, I am a experienced mechanic, whereas Chad, are you an experienced mechanic?
No.
No?
You are the professional.
Oh, come on.
Yes, sir. You will be on motor training one day.
Now you're just bragging. All right. Now on. On. Whoo-wee. Oh my God, the difference is crazy. Brother, you gotta see this. High beam. Whoa. Dude, that is so awesome. You gotta get over here and see this. Like, you ready?
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about, man. I told you. AUXITO has got the hookup, man. AUXITO LED, gentlemen. All right, let's go ahead and get your passenger side all set up, and we'll check you out from down the street. All right, brother, it's all you.
Okey-doke.
Now, you've never messed with these before, right?
Nope, not a mechanic.
All right, well, here you go. Here's your chance. All right, you saw how I did it on the other side?
Yeah, you unscrewed this here.
Yes, sir. So go for it.
Pull it.
Pull out the what? Weather seal.
So that's for the water.
That's correct.
Put it here.
It's the last thing you want is any moisture getting inside. You see a green ring, ladies and gentlemen? Right. A green ring is an O-ring. It protects moisture from getting inside the headlight. Cool. All right, so.
It's like I have to turn it to the left.
Lefty loosey, righty tighty. In this case, it'd be counterclockwise.
So it's left.
Yep. And it pops straight out.
And
yes,
above
sir.
here. So.
And the tab. Don't pull up too hard.
Click it. Pull.
Now, you roll your thumb under it a little bit and then push on the tab.
Okay, so.
Don't pull up too high. You just want to get it over that notch in the center.
Okay. Okay, I think I got it.
And then wiggle, 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 and it should pop right off. Okay. If it don't, you can just roll your thumb up underneath, and there you go.
Okay, dokie.
I bet that light's a little warm, isn't it?
Yes, yes, it is. So
all right, so glove, right? You want to put on the gloves, the Michael Jackson glove.
Those, ladies and gentlemen.
My man, there you go.
Never done this before, ever.
Keeping it clean.
Okay.
Now the good part about this is the way that, if you look on the inside, it's got a little notch in the middle, and that'll prevent you from putting the wrong one in. On the AUXITO LED one, they don't have that notch in there, so you can install it either way. But that notch that's on the top, the lock and tab,
so that's how you want it.
Exactly. It only allow you to do it one way. Okay. So that's good.
So I got it here.
It's a good clean connections, no corrosion. You always want to check that out. And there you go. An audible click is all you're listening for. And you just slide it back in. Now each one of these tabs, if you look at them, each one of them is shaped differently. You see these tabs here? You got a fat one, half size one, and a really tiny one.
Gotcha.
Okay, on the inside you want to line those up. You'll feel it slide right in. Half turn to the right.
Yes, sir. And
it's good. There you go. And then you got your
weather seal.
You don't really have to turn very much on that.
Okay, so I'm gonna go back. All right, I think we'll run into a little problem here.
Now you can get it on there. Just look where the notches are at. Make sure it's flush, and then slowly start turning it until the notches catch. There you go. Okay. And then rotate it clockwise. And go until it just stops. And you're done.
That's it.
Just like that. How long was that? What, 3 minutes?
Right.
If that? All right, dude. I'll tell you what. I'll do you a favor. I'll turn on your lights, and you stand in front of the car. You ready? And kill your headlamp too. Now let's close that hood too. Let's close that hood, because we're done in here. Super simple, super easy. Anybody can do it. All right, brother, you ready? Kill your headlamp. There you go. And 3, 2, 1. Yep. Well, there's your high beams. Man, I'm jealous of your high beams. Man, oh, live, I like that. And that looks better with your ground effects kit you installed. Right. Yes, sir. I guarantee these lights are going to be way better when you're driving down the road, especially when you're doing your security work. Cool. So every time I saw you driving down through here with them halogens, I'll tell you right now, it worried me, brother. It worried me. I'm like, this guy is going in a place where it's dark. He can't see because he doesn't have AUXITO LED headlights. So I had to hook a brother up. All right, brother.
Yes, sir.
All right. Well, you want to go for a quick spin? And
absolutely.
All right. Well, I'm coming with you whether you like it or not. So. All right. Right about here, we're going to pull in this pool area because there's like no light whatsoever, so that's good. And you see a fine line of the headlights.
Let me know.
No, you're fine. Aim at just a solid object. That way you guys can see the line. So here's your high beams, low beam. Oh man, that's justified right there. I like that, dude. Huge difference. Damn, dude. I like that. That's fantastic. You ain't riding dark no more, man.
No, sir.
You're not riding dark at all.
No, sir. No, sir. Not at all. Thanks for you.
I got you all set up.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
see you guys back at the house. All right, folks, well, that is it for this evening's video. We now have another satisfied AUXITO LED customer, and Chad could not be happier about the headlights in his car. And in fact, I don't think I've seen him smile that much about his car in a while. So AUXITO LED definitely pulled it off and made another customer really happy. So if you guys want to improve the illumination performance of your vehicle, whether it be headlights, backup or reverse lights, backup lights, brake lights, any lights that are on your vehicle, AUXITO LED's got you covered. So check out the link in the description. Look at whatever is supplied for your vehicle, and upon purchase, hit the coupon code SVCruiser for 15% off your purchase. So with all that being said, I appreciate you guys sticking around for another episode of SV Cruiser. I'll see you guys in the next one. Michael Jackson Glove, I love you. Good night.